Hi guys, Ashley here from ashleybryan.com.au. In this video I'll quickly show you how to set a filter to exclude your own IP address or range of IP address from Google Analytics 4, GA4. I'll go through it reasonably quickly, but you can pause it in between each step if you need to. Okay, so first of all, log into your GA4 account like I have done so here. Click on the admin cogwheel bottom left. That pops open this page. Sometimes it's maybe formatted a little differently, but find data streams. Find your data stream. If you have more than one, you'll need to know which one or add it to all of them, but otherwise select a data stream. Scroll down to configure tag settings. Scroll down, you may have to click show more in order to show define internal traffic and hit create to create an internal traffic filter. So hit create, give it a name, for instance, exclude my IP or exclude office IP addresses. You can give it, just leave that as it is, and in here select the one that is relevant. So you want to put an exact IP address or IP address range that begin with a certain value or an actual range here. Now, if it's just you, then you can use a tool like What's My IP, or talk to your system administrator about the IP address range for your business. Get that information off them and put them in there, and you can add multiple if you need to there and save it at the bottom, and then away you go. And then from that time forwards, your IP address or the range of IP addresses you've entered will be excluded from your reports. However, this won't exclude the IP addresses from data that's already been created in Google Analytics 4. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you very much. Bye.